In business, making the right choices is crucial to success. Many entrepreneurs have greatly improved their production efficiency, reduced costs, and gained huge profits with the help of our DCP-80 digital cylinder UV bottle printer. Follow us today to discover why it can change your business. Part 1. The powerful functions of DCP-80 series bottle printer lay the foundation for efficient production. Sublistar's round bottle machine has fully upgraded the board and nozzle, and can be flexibly equipped with Epson or Ricoh print heads. With variable ink drop technology, it can accurately spray ink droplets at an ultra-high resolution of 2,880 dpi, presenting a natural transition of colors and making the pattern lines clear and sharp. Ricoh print heads, with 5 PL fine ink drops and excellent compatibility, ensure stable output quality. In addition, it is also equipped with an angle adjustment device, which can easily cope with both conical and cylindrical bottles, bringing users an efficient and high-quality printing experience. The fast printing speed can save a lot of time for enterprises, and the DCP-80 series can complete the creation of a bottle in less than 1 minute. This terrifying speed allows you to seize the market share first. The most astonishing thing is that even at high speed, the pattern details are still clear, the color richness is not reduced, and the 360 degrees seamless spiral printing is completed in one go. DCP-80 series is excellent in printing adaptability. It supports high drop printing up to 18 millimeters, and combined with the laser automatic height measurement and precise positioning function. Even for special shaped products such as irregular bottles, the ink can reach the designated position powerfully and accurately, eliminating the phenomenon of oblique spraying and outward expansion, achieving impeccable precision output, and greatly expanding the range and diversity of printable products. When traditional printers process smooth bottles such as glass bottles, they need to manually pre-coat the coating liquid, which is inefficient and prone to uneven coating. The DCP-80 series printer is completely different. It does not require manual work, and the machine can automatically and accurately print out the pre-coating liquid. This not only saves manpower, improves efficiency, and ensures uniform coating, but also lays a solid foundation for subsequent printing, far exceeding similar machines, helping companies to produce efficiently. The DCP-80 series printer is easy to operate and is a great tool for small batch production. You only need to set the parameters in advance. Print the first bottle, remove the finished product, replace it with a new bottle of the same type, and then press the one-touch print button, and the machine will continue to work seamlessly. This function greatly simplifies the operation process, improves production efficiency, and makes small batch production easy and efficient. Part 2. The wide application of DCP-80 series bottle printer expands the business space. The DCP-80 series printer is a powerful assistant for commercial production and has a wide range of applications. It has shown extraordinary value in gift customization, advertising, wine and beverage, cosmetics, food, and other industries. Whether it is a water cup, a red wine cup, a stainless steel cup, or a thermos cup, the compatible printing length can reach 240 millimeters, and the printing diameter ranges from 55 millimeters to 180 millimeters, which basically covers all bottle sizes and can meet the diverse printing needs of different customers for various types of bottle products. What's even more amazing is that the ability of the DCP-80 series is not limited to the bottle. It can also accurately print balls such as table tennis and bowling balls, breaking the application boundaries of traditional printing equipment. With its wide applicability, it helps companies open up more potential markets and create more diversified benefits, becoming the only choice for many companies to enhance their competitiveness. Part 3. Commercial value and huge production profits created by DCP-80 series. From Amazon, according to our investigation and research, the price of each bottle on Amazon is mostly between $19.99 and $49.99, depending on the material and pattern. We compromised and calculated it at $29.99 per bottle. The cost is basically around $6, and the profit of each bottle can reach more than $20. Profit equals selling price subtract cost. Empty bottle fee $3 plus ink fee $1 plus labor and other fee $2 is almost equal to $23.99. If the design of your product is more attractive to others, the price can be higher, and the profit will be greater. I believe that through today's introduction, you have already understood the commercial value of this bottle printing machine, which can create huge production profits for your business. If you also want to make a name for yourself in the field of commercial printing, take action now, and let Sublistar Professional Bottle Printer become your capable partner and start your journey to wealth. If you have any other needs, please contact us. Every evaluation of yours is extremely valuable to us. If you want to see more, please follow Sublistar.